Hey, greetings from Texas. So we've been holed up here at the ranch for 2 days. We were supposed to go to Austin yesterday, but to see a friend, but the icy road conditions. So we had an ice storm. It is starting to thaw out, and you're going to hear falling ice. So I have my hard hat on. One thing I did, I had the foresight to move my car out away from the house, and I'll show you why that was a good thing. So here's where I normally park the car. You can see all these limbs have come crashing down. That's a pretty good sized limb here. I just got hit. And that took down our outdoor lighting. It's a campground. That lamp is completely broken. I'm gonna have to move this stuff out just so I can get out. The breezeway. Let it fall down. I was worried about the internet line. This tree's toast. Safe. And we got these blocking here. All these big chunks of ice falling down all over. Guess that sounded good. All right, we're over here by my museum. And got a big limb. Broke off. Completely knocked down my flagpole. That's going to be a mess to clean up. Doesn't look like too much damage. Well, that fell over the fence. That big limb over there, my neighbor's. Power lines look okay. Got those limbs are all weighted down, touching the top of my garage. Just checking the driveway, make sure it's cleared.
All right, the rest of my driveway's clear.
Well, nice handy little saw for getting that little stuff off. So, all right, well, if you don't see some videos from me in a couple days, still got to change the faucet out in the kitchen. Still working on that. So just add this to the list of chores. Hope you all are staying safe. Keep warm. Appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.